guys. Going to Toowoomba.
Nasa biyahe na naman. Panay na sa biyahe.
Sabi na lang na. Hi, Belle. There at the back, ma. Hi po. What happened to the watch?
No, that one.
Maddie, where are you going, Maddie?
Two.
Toowoomba, too, right? Toowoomba. Woomba. Now what are you doing?
Mommy,
Woomba.
I touched.
And visit in the Catis.
Mommy,
Cafe.
Dinosaur.
Ano?
Vanilla Cholo Pascual tsaka ni nung
Di ba mawala pa naman?
Hanas. Ayan o.
Ito ma, ito.
Walking papunta sa GPO Cafe Kati sa Toowoomba. Yan, Margaret Street. Hi, Aya. Yeah, Castle. Yan, here's GPO. Yan ang outdoors ni GPO. Old post office ng GPO. Yan. Tcharan! Entrance. Morning! Yeah. Yeah, sideline. Owner of the GPO. Okay. Try na natin yung mga breakfast dito kay GPO. Give me one ano. Yung breakfast wrap. Breakfast wrap.
Okay, so one breakfast wrap.
Nuggets. Nuggets na lang. Isang pancake lang.
Isang pancake.
Isa lang. Mas nuggets. While dining, kung may kasama kang kids, meron din silang pang mga laro-laro sa kids. What are you doing? You know how to play that?
How you play with me?
I don't know how to play that.
No, please.
I don't know how to play that one. Oh, you need to open. You need to open. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like that. What? What's that?
Your tattoo.
Tattoo? Why give tattoo?
Tattoo.
Hello kids, so here's your french fries. Strawberries.
Wow.
Yes, and
Strawberry?
break your burger, ma.
Mari, what do you want? Strawberry?
Strawberries, ma.
Strawberry. Want strawberry? Huh?
Boxing time.
Unboxing! Hello!
Aya.
Welcome to What's your order?
Chicken nugget. Yay! Chicken nugget.
What did you eat?
What? Why you have?
Did you eat?
But why you have ice?
Because I like ice cream. You don't like ice cream?
I love ice cream.
You want ice cream and then we'll put chocolate.
I want chocolate ice cream. What?
Who wants ice cream?
What?
For later. Or fruit?
Yes, yes. Sure. Can we play?
You're frozen.
Oh, can we play?
This one's for you. You know you find the one with the yellow letters. Where's the other yellow letters?
I know.
Try this.
This one. Or this one.
Put it here.
Botanic Garden.
Walk up here, there's a sign here.
Ito yung mga bulaklak.
Look, Belle, how many flowers.
Did I win million?
Oh, pick a spot para pa-picture na.
Mari!
And then, Belle,
Hoy, 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 hoy. Alam ko na yung balak mo. Yung masama kang balak dyan. Yun maganda yung ganun yung style, oh. Nasa kabila, ano niya yung shot. Nasa likod siya ng mga halaman.
kahit ang ganun na style maganda.
Photographer rin naisip niyan. Ito maganda yung kulay ito, yung mga lavender.
Yun yung colorful. Oo.
One, two. Okay. Ano, Mari? What? Pinagsasabi mo?
Bilang.
Ha? Hoy, Mari! Shh! Hoy! No!
He loves me.
Yeah. What? Come here! Ito, ang ganda.
What's that one?
Snow crystals.
Snow?
Hindi, ito yan yung puti. Snow crystals.
Rat's tail.
Rat's tail. Statis.
Oh, that's so nice. Mine look like Chinese flowers, right?
Bakit mo nasabing Chinese yan? Ha? Hoy,
Ato, to.
ba't mo nasabing Chinese? Anong incheck? Anong kinalaman ng incheck? Aya. Shh, are you tired? Oh, ganyan yung itsura mo. Ha? What happened?
Oh, picture, there.
Aya. Ano? Hindi ka na makausap. Ha? You tired?
The suppression, the use of marijuana.